We spend billions of dollars every year trying to make our bodies look attractive. We go to the gym, we fix our teeth, we buy the right clothes. And sure, the halo effect, where we judge beautiful people as being better, is a real psychological bias. But there is a different kind of attraction that is slower, deeper, and infinitely more powerful. It is called cognitive attraction. It's the reason why you can meet someone who is physically perfect but feel absolutely nothing, and then meet someone average who becomes the most magnetic person in the room the moment they speak. Science tells us that sexiness isn't just about symmetry or height. It is about how your neural pathways fire. It is about how you process the world. Today, we are going to look at these 7 signs that you have a scientifically attractive brain, traits that signal intelligence, safety, and depth, even if you don't give yourself credit for them. The first sign is that you are insatiably curious. In psychology, there is a trait called need for cognition. If you are the person who pauses a movie to look up the actor, or who falls down a Wikipedia rabbit hole about how submarines work at 2 a.m., you have this. To a partner, this is magnetic. Why? Because it signals neuroplasticity. It shows that your brain is still growing, still hungry, and still adaptable. A curious brain releases dopamine when it learns, which makes you naturally more enthusiastic and alive. You aren't boring because you are never bored. Sign number 2 is that you listen to understand, not just to reply. This sounds basic, but neurologically, it's rare. When you truly listen to someone, you are engaging your mirror neurons. These are brain cells that allow you to feel what another person is feeling. If you are the type of person who makes others feel seen, who remembers the small details they mentioned 3 weeks ago, you are demonstrating high emotional intelligence, EQ. This is the ultimate biological signal of safety. You are signaling that you are a safe harbor in a chaotic world. Sign number 3, you can find the funny side of things. We often think of humor as just being a clown, but evolutionary biologists view wit as a massive fitness indicator. To make a joke, your brain has to recognize a pattern, flip the context, and deliver the punchline, all in a fraction of a second. This requires high-speed processing and abstract thinking. If you are quick-witted or enjoy wordplay, your brain is running on a high-performance operating system. It shows you can handle complexity without getting stressed. Sign number 4 is that you are comfortable with maybe. The average brain loves binary thinking. Good versus bad, right versus left. It saves energy. But an attractive brain possesses cognitive flexibility. You can hold 2 opposing ideas in the head at the same time. You can say, I understand why you feel that way, even though I disagree. This lack of rigidity is incredibly attractive because it signals that you are reasonable. You aren't a fanatic, you are a thinker. In a polarized world, nuance is a superpower. Sign number 5 is the ability to pause. When something makes you angry, do you explode immediately, or do you take a breath? That tiny gap between the stimulus and the response is mediated by your prefrontal cortex. If you have the pause, it means your logical brain is stronger than your emotional lizard brain, the amygdala. This signals stability. It tells a potential partner or friend, I am in control of myself. I am safe to be around when things go wrong. Sign number 6 is the courage to say, I don't know. This is the opposite of the Dunning-Kruger effect, where dumb people think they are smart. A truly attractive brain is aware of its own limits. Admitting you are wrong isn't weakness. It's a sign of a secure ego. It shows that you care more about the truth than you care about being right. That level of honesty is incredibly rare and deeply respected. Here is the best news about these 7 signs. Unlike your height or your bone structure, these aren't genetic lottery tickets. They are skills. They are neural pathways that you can strengthen every single day. So, if you looked in the mirror today and didn't like what you saw, remember to look a little deeper. Your curiosity, your kindness, and your ability to think, that is the most attractive thing about you. Thanks for watching. Take care of that brilliant mind of yours. Subscribe for more.